my friends, today we are at the Palihouse Hotel in West Hollywood, Palihouse. I'm gonna give you a quick tour here and then I'll start from the beginning, but this is a place you do not want to miss. All right, let's get started. So, as soon as you enter this room, you have a dining area right here for four. All the furniture has been custom made by the hotel for the hotel. Check out this furniture and the plushness of this couch. So cute. Over here, you have a stand with a TV. Look how they cover the TV with their own custom made TV cover. Unbelievable. A retro phone right here. Retro chairs, and this room has a balcony that will take you to the outside. Look at that. I mean, you have your own sitting area out here, as well as a dining room table and a view of the Melrose West 3rd Street of LA. Coming back in the room, you have a minibar area with a Smeg refrigerator, a sink, a mini bar that is absolutely filled with every single thing you could possibly think of. There's the mini bar menu right here. Let me zoom in so you can see the prices. Oh my gosh, this is like retro meets chic meets cool. Here's your retro microwave, your trash can below the sink, marble countertops, and just more storage. Then let's check out the bedroom. Here's your king size bed. Another room, so this is a 2-room suite. Check out the TV again being covered, the same style chair, the second door to the balcony. Look at the bed, deliciously made. The design here, the ceilings, everything is just so thoughtful and beautiful, but you don't want to miss the bathroom, so hang in there. You open the door, check out how the door and the closet has a drape over it, a little window shade. The safety deposit box is blue, so it matches the color of the theme throughout the property. The hangers even have the branding of the hotel on them. Then if you open this little bag, you have your hair dryer. Let's see what's over on this door. Your luggage rack and your robe with laundry service. And I mean, this place is stunning. I mean, the design, so much thought and effort has been gone into the design of this room to make it so unique and special and retro and beautiful at the same time. And then last but not least, you enter the bathroom. This is one of those wow bathrooms, a tub, a shower. Look at the privacy screen in the shower. Another robe, plush towels, toilet paper. Again, the branding on the sticker in the toilet paper. The thought on everything is beyond this world. Open the shower, a rain shower head. There's your soaps and whatnot. And lastly, a double sink here. Retro style sink. Beautiful. Look at the lighting, look at the materials, wood finishes throughout this door, everything. Well, that's pretty much it. This is a beautiful hotel in LA that you definitely want to stay at if you're in the area. Enjoy.